Hey everybody, it's Miss D here, your favorite sewing teacher. So today we're gonna talk about just a little something quick, not long. Um, I go into the Dollar Tree sometimes, and when I go to the Dollar Tree, they have really, really nice frames, right? And even though the Dollar Tree has went up from $1 to 125, you can still get beautiful photo frames. So because I decided that I was going to do my own artwork and frame it for my new sewing studio, I wanted to give you guys a tip because we all know these frames are super flimsy, right? So this is one that I got that I really like because of course my shop, my business colors are black, white, pink, hot pink, and gold, okay? So this one is already like cracked, so I got to take it back. I didn't realize the glass was cracked. But one tip I want to give you is you can take out the glass, period, and frame whatever you're doing so that you can dust it, right? Without, you know, how you get your pictures when you put it in the photo frame and it gets stuck because of the humidity, especially I'm in Florida. And sometimes when you think you're going to go take that picture out of the frame, you will not be removing it because it's stuck to the glass. So that's the best and easiest way is just get rid of the glass, don't use the glass, and frame your picture. Nothing's going to happen to your picture. And like I said, it's easier to dust. You just wipe it off and you're good. Don't have to worry about it getting stuck to the glass. The next thing that I do, right, guys, is glue gun, right? So I've already framed this one, okay? And on the back, those little cracks, the little crevices where they staple everything together, that's where you guys are actually going to go ahead and put a dab of glue there, okay? Super simple, super easy to do. And I'm going to go ahead and do one right now. But all you're going to do is take it and you're actually going to let it fill up, okay? Now, this is not my normal glue gun that I have, okay? This is one of those little cheap ones that I don't know where I got it from. I think I brought it when I was doing a summer camp because I needed like 10 or 12 of them when I teach sewing classes for the smaller kids, um, their age, their legs aren't long enough to really be on the sewing machine. So I pick crafts where they can use a cool glue gun where they can still make stuff like bow ties, quick little things, right? So you're gonna let that cool, and that's it. You can also use the Gorilla Glue. You can even use wood glue, right? Because the wood glue, that filler is awesome, and wood glue will hold it because some of this that it's made out of is particle board or MDF board, which is like a wood that is compiled of other wood compressed. But I hope you enjoyed this tip. And the Dollar Tree still has great things. Okay, so stay tuned. I will post once I finish the wall with all of the beautiful pics on there. So thank you again for watching. And until then, stay so-tastic. Get those sewing machines out and keep it moving, guys. Have a great day.